In English, we might say, wait. You have to be patient. Well, in sign language, we can go like this. Okay, let's jump in. Let's learn how to sign this. Here we go. Here's the sign for wait. All right, we're going to use both hands and the same hand shape. This is the hand shape, fingers spread apart. Now flip them around, palms facing in, put them a little bit off center, and just wiggle the fingers. Wait. Wait. From the side, wait. From the other side, wait. All right, now the base sign, the sign all by itself, we have it a little bit off center, right? Wait. But what do we know about words and signs? That they very rarely are all by themselves when we're communicating, right? They go into context, they go into situation, it's more fluid. So you're going to notice that people sign wait in front, they sign it over to the side, they might sign it towards a person. There's a group of people and one person is just ants in their pants. Wait, all right? So wait can move around, just make sure that the palms are facing in and your fingers are wiggling. Wait. Good, good. All right, here is the sign for must. We're going to make the letter X. The hand shape is letter X. You could also say the captain hook, all right? Index finger, bend it down. That is your hook. The thumb's just in front of all the other fingers. X. Now take the X, point the tip of the finger straight in front of you. Whoever you're talking to, just point it towards them, all right? Now just drop it down. Must. Must. From the side, must. From the other side, must. All right, this is the same sign for need, need to, have to, must. Good, good. Here is the sign for patient. Okay, the hand shape, just one hand on this one, is the letter A. Okay, you can kind of say a thumbs up, but the thumb is a little bit closer to the other fingers like that. Okay, we're going to put it in front of our mouth. And the part right about here is touching the chin. We're going to start up a little bit, go down. All right? Patient. Patient. So the back of the thumbnail, or the thumbnail you could say, is kind of at the top lip, and it just goes down. Patient. Now you wouldn't actually have to touch your face if you don't want to, but you need to get close enough to make sure the sign is visible. Patient. Patient. All right? I touch my face, it just feels comfortable. That's how I sign it. Patient. From the side, patient. From the other side, patient. All right? Patient. Okay, we learned all the parts. Let's put it together. Here we go. Wait, must, patient. All right, again, sign with me. Here we go. Wait, must, patient. All right, so in English, wait. You have to be patient, or you got to be patient. Well, in sign language, okay, a little bit quicker. Okay, remember your facial expression, use it to fit the situation. If the kid's, hopping around like crazy and you're losing your patience and you're just like, and then they're back at you. We ask them to be patient all the time when we get impatient. Okay, so put it in your face. If you're chill, the moment's not such a big deal, but we're starting to get a little bit antsy. Kind of like a matter of fact, you got to be patient, must patient. Just how it is. All right, let's learn something new. Now let's do wait, must, responsible. So this could fit another completely different situation, all right? So I'm going to sign it, and then we're going to explore the sign for responsible. Here we go. Okay, so the sign for responsible looks like this. All right, the hand shapes are the same, kind of like fingers together, curved down a little bit here, like a shelf, kind of. Now we're going to tap on our shoulder twice. So I'm right-handed, so I'm going to go to my right shoulder. If you're lefty, go to your left shoulder. All right, so tap twice. That means responsible. All right, 1 second here. Okay, so from the side we have responsible. From the other side, responsible. All right, from the front, just tap twice. Responsible. Kind of like something's on your shoulders, right? You have responsibility. You're responsible, right? Okay, so let's sign this. Here we go. We have wait, must, responsible. Wait, must, responsible. All right, let's see. How about the other one? How would you sign this? Wait, must, patient. All right, let's go back. How would you sign this? Wait, must, responsible. Like, wait, you need to earn my trust, maybe, to be responsible. You need to be responsible, earn my trust, something like that. Wait, must, responsible. Okay. All right, so we learned many things in this lesson. What do we need to know for the test? Well, you need to know this. Wait, must, patient. All right, let's do a couple practice rounds. Here we go. Okay,